Sorry you missed the morning fun. We were tractoring dirt all the way around the whole garden area that we'll be using. This morning, after that, we're putting the TOC together so that I can take all of those plants and put them out there. And that way they'll be off the patio finally. So we are putting the TOC together. Fun. I'm not tired. I can do it. I'm not capable. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 4. How do I go? 1, 2. Oh, I do. The current one has no holes, except it is a curve. The curve is the curve. The connection to the curve is just point. There's no holes. The curve is all put on top. The only holes in the curve are 1 and 20. That's not over here. They're going to have a curve. Curve is not now. Once the together, this connects to release it. And it's the only thing that we're worried about is like having a link bracelet connected. Well, Wes wants to be done. Apparently there's stuff going on in town, so we're gonna head into town and go have some fun instead of work. So we'll see you next time. Bye.